Access denied.
Blue flashing is an issue, Sam. No, you don't need to do yours. Tickets are not working again. Oops.
Deleted our reservation.
Hopefully we can get in. So lesson learned for today, don't delete your reservation for the park before you go in, Brianna, because what it then does is stops you from getting into the park. Lesson learned. Holidays are not holidays without drama.
All of our holidays come with drama.
Brianna tried to get a Genie pass and she accidentally deleted the reservation, which, just so you know, is pretty easy to do on the app. And unfortunately, you delete your reservation, you delete your access to the park for that day. Okay.
He said it.
So we're all in, but Brianna's not. Oh, thanks, Dad. Thanks, mate. Well done, Swimmer. You got us in there eventually. You screwed up and we got a free ride.
But he couldn't get us a Toy Story one.
We're going into the park again, baby. Park again.
Thank you.
Oh, green is good. Thank you, by the way.
Go to the Millennium Falcon one.
Smugglers Run, yeah.
I've got a fast pass for that.
Yeah.
And then I'll get a fast pass straight away from Rock and Roller Coaster at 2:15, and then
Sure.
we'll go get something to eat. And then we can wait for that because that's 75
Sure.
minutes.
What's this one? Runaway Rover. Okay, I've never tried that one. I know you're not a Star Wars geek, but you've got to be impressed with this.
Oh no, it's cool. It is cool.
Look, he's a baby Ewok.
This is not even impressive.
I like him. Oh, I don't want to Jar Jar Binks though. Millennium Falcon, Smugglers Run, and it looks like the line goes from there all the way around the outside of the Falcon. 85 minutes seems to be a normal time for all the rides. I suppose it is Easter, I suppose. Beautiful, let's go. This is my type of ride, this is awesome. I'm going to try and be a gunner this time. I think Caleb's going to be, you're going to be a pilot, Caleb?
Yep.
Caleb's going to be a pilot. What's Brianna?
Maybe I'll be an engineer.
I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
Have you been practicing your shooting, Sammy? You haven't? Whoa! We're here, Sam.
Oh, shit.
Press him, Sam! Press him, Sam!
Shoot, Sam, shoot!
That's it, keep pressing him, Sam. You got it, buddy.
I'm protecting the tank. Take them out.
Yeah, Sam!
Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
We're going behind the train now.
Runners, shoot the train. Shoot it. Yes.
Do we get it, Sam? Do we shoot? Well, I tell you, bad boy. Yeah!
Don't make my driver's fail. Pilots, company. Two containers of coaxium.
Well done, pilots.
Would greatly help the resistance.
And it comes out, buddy. There you go, buddy. You did it, buddy.
I done better than you.
You did. Well done. You shot more of the naughty people than I did. Just to be clear, you deleted our reservation, and because we were able to rescue it, that lovely man was able to give us a free ticket to bypass a 120-minute line.
Yep.
See? Well done, Brianna. Even in stuffing up, you do something awesome. Well done. Use the force, Sam. I told you to go away. All right, the stuff place. We're actually trying to find a place to eat. Burgers and fries, obviously. Fries for Sam. And... oh, found it. So you're going to Tower Terror, yeah?
I'm going
Why not?
to the tower.
What are we going to?
We're going to Cars.
Oh, God. Which one are you going to be?
It's that one.
This one?
Not that one. That's
You're going to be a superhero. Alrighty.
Subscribe to the channel if you want to see this.
You like it? There you go. You like it? Oh yeah. Look awesome, boy.
Go and have a look at it.
You want to have a look at it? All right, hang on. Wow. It looks like Brianna's going to take us on Minnie and Mickey's Railway. Whatever the hell that is.
How long's the line? This wait is usually 90 minutes, so...
35 minutes is better than anything. Is it a roller coaster?
It's a railway.
The
That railway is not roller coaster.
The lady said it was,
Good for kids?
the lady said this was the best ride here.
Oh, cool. All right, fine. Live long and prosper. Leonard Nimoy.
Not there yet.
Right there. That's for me. No one even knows who Leonard Nimoy is, but I do.
I do.
Well done, Jane. Jane does. Do you know who Leonard Nimoy is, Brianna? Good girl. What does it mean?
Live long and prosper.
Oh my God, give me 5. You're so much more awesome than I thought.
Sometimes you're here to stay. Get away and have a perfect day.
1 and 2. Alrighty. 1 and 2, Sam.
We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
He's left us, Sammy.
Everyone to your positions. Now, let's
Nothing can stop us now. I am so finally made it.
we've had one crazy ride.
Boring bit or not everything?
You didn't like everything?
Boring.
I thought it was a bit fun.
It was fun. It actually was fun.
So now what we're going to do now, mate, is we're going to Toy Story.
Alright.
Going to very quickly go on a fast pass and go there. Get a drink first and go to Toy Story.
Why is there so much mosquitoes?
I have no idea, but I don't know whether you can see them on the camera. We're here. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, did you know, Dad is actually my true savior because did you know he's actually a champion of Toy Story. And like when I was a baby, he didn't want me to be a team.
Yeah. I wouldn't say I'm a champion. Oh yes, all three. Thank you. There we go. The ride's been broken. Hopefully we can get on. I'll be 1, and Mum will be 2. Alright?
And guys, you can't bring your cameras when you're riding. So guys, we need to turn this camera off when we're up. So we will see you later when we are done this roller coaster. And guys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and hit that little bell.
Here comes ours. There it is. You're going to be yellow, I'm going to be green.
Open up.
5 minutes later.
Ride it.
Well done.
I want you.
191 for me and Better accuracy for Sammy. He got 30%, 31 accuracy, and I only got 30%.
I got 40% accuracy.
Well, Mummy got the highest accuracy. Would you like me to film a cranky pants? Here it is. There's a cranky pants. Someone wants to go home now.
I don't want to go home.
As you probably can't tell, we missed the bus by 2 minutes. Ended up having to sit here for an hour waiting for it at number 66. Anyway.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to the channel. And guys, if you know, if you are a subscriber, good luck.
That's right. I'll see you in the next adventure. If a bus ever comes, that is. I have never been more excited to see a bus. Thank God. You're singing the Four Seasons song? You lunatic. What type of music was that, you loon?